PT3, Part 3. This is my snapper. What do you have to offer? Yeah, if you haven't watched the other episodes, go check them out. Oh, yeah. For newcomers, Icy is the one with nothing on her hand, and Snowy's the one with this poppet bracelet and acupuncture ring on. Okay, for that, I would like to trade this pea popper. And this little straw. Icy's gonna take off her acupuncture ring. Okay, Snowy. All right, for that, please, okay. Accept. This is a good snapper. Wait, is that the extra rare pineapple? I will trade you anything for that. I would like you to give me a heart poppet. A heart poppet. That shouldn't be that hard. And a blue marble mesh. And an ultra rare spinny toy. A spinny poppet toy. Okay? Okay, deal. All right, you better give it to me soon, or I'm going to trade this pineapple fidget before you can even say but. Okay. It looks like I already have this. I guess I can just give it to her in a group. All right. We better go find those fidgets. We'll probably find them all on the field. Now let's go. There's the heart poppet. For the next character, she won't be wearing anything but an acupuncture ring. I know that I said that that's Icy's, but Snowy's, but you know, okay? Hey, this one's my poppet. No, it's mine. I found it first. You know what? Let's trade. This one's mine. Fine. I'll trade you anything. Snowy's mine. I better get that heart poppet. All right. This heart poppet. Will you really give me anything, though? I think. All right. Well, I'm trading the heart poppet then. Oh, bummer. I wish I could actually keep this for a few minutes. Okay. I'll trade this snapper. Wait a minute. I want you to give me something special. I want you to give me the put-together cube. You mean... Where is it on the box? Oh, she wants that. And what is that called? Let me see. That is called... I don't know what that's called. But I promise I'll find it for you. Okay. There it is. This is the cube. All right. I'll put it in my basket. I found it. Already? Yep. I found it on the field. Can you add in that snapper? It's not a fair trade if I add in the snapper. Then it's not a deal. Fine, I'll add the snapper. Accept. Finally, I got item number 1. Now, it looks like I have to find a blue. There it is. All right, I need to find this. Watch for part 4.